there is a car part. Look, that's it. Carbon canister solenoid valve. I suspect it's broken. Take it apart and check it out. It's very simple to take it apart. Let's unplug the connector first. Take it out of the buckle. Disconnect the two connecting pipes. Okay, let's check it out. Its working principle is very simple. Power on, the valve opens. Gas can pass through. Power outage, valve closed. Gas cannot pass through. We just blow with our mouths. If it can be breathable, it means it's broken. Look. The cause of the problem was found. It's broken. It's very expensive. Let's not rush to replace it. I have a little idea. Maybe it won't cost a penny. Look. We tap it gently. Let the valve inside return to its original position.